Odofo medawase Emma Kwaba edeba Adom TV dwumadi we Nkuranhyensem memte jemu amedi ho chiame megimi din so say Apostle Dr. Anita Kutegu na so pa frame Anita Kutegu medase what to say yo mekoso a me kire oni ma betime na abrabo da soronko for you to be able to live a different life that will impact the life of others and become the best version of you. Evaluate the things that motivate you to do what you do. Evaluate, examine. When you will be a friend of motivation or a shower, am I before you take every action, you are motivated to take the action. There's always a reason to do what you do. And to say, why am I going to do what I'm going to do? Evaluate the reason behind what you want to do. Evaluate the reason why you are making jogging every evening. Every 2 days, my friend said, Juada, Ukwada, Ifiada, any Crusader, about 5:30 per baby, Metiano, Menante, 4 kilometers. Efabron no so, no maba. Saint Lisa me do menini, but me pesa, menini kosim prenso, I mean, na form will be me kurame, and me juareme dachi. I want to be fit throughout my old age. The reason why I'm taking a walk is to maintain fitness. And therefore, you must find out the motivation behind what you are doing. Indeed, there are 2 forms of motivation. You'll be a friend intrinsic motivation, and you'll be a friend extrinsic motivation. You will be a push you a free will, you'll be a push you a free bontin. For many of us, we take actions based on extrinsic motivation. I didn't see you will never me a Kenya war and I show crying am I their way. It will be a friend intrinsic motivation. Say if you are mu, it will be a friend extrinsic motivation. Say frabontin. The best form of motivation is intrinsic. For example, if you tell yourself you want to become the best person in the world, if you want to tell yourself I want to solve every problem, if you tell yourself I want to be an overcomer, I want to make things right. If you me pese bibia ye o mabrabom. Me pese me demufua. Me pese ade bia betumi no nya anu aduro. Me pese ewiase nsem a aba ye nya anu aduro no me nya anu aduro. That means you are being motivated from within. And no eye na your external factors. O me pese me nya adwuma pa na ye ma ye wadwumam. O me pese me nya sika. Me pese me ho ofe enti me tutu me po me ho. And your external factors, whatever your reasons that are making you do what you do, don't forget that every reason has its own consequences. But I would urge you to have internal motivation. Men Nkuranhyensem free will mu say me pese me tumpon. Me pese me gyan ma no nya me nya no ma no aduro. Me pese ade obi nya bi da ne meye. Me pese me tu anamontuo bi a ede mfa so bebremie enye se me bone ayi maye enye se me hey oh yo makobo nyumfum bia na ma famous da bi me pese me ye bibi e da soronko na fa no ye nkuranhye e ma ho na enu ntumpon. Remember, your life journey can be very long. Your life journey will have obstacles. Your life journey will come with demands. But if you plan every day to meet your targets, you will get there. Abrabo sinto beba ahwase beba debu ho a ebe nyonyonyo debu ho ebe ya nyehunu se sada no ba wo Nkuranhyɛ ene ahofama betimi asɔre afiri mu akato se esan se me pese ye enti no ena we atomie na me friwe mu a mekɔ ewe papa. Let's go over our goals in life. Ade na ye ni jade hunu da wani so. What do you want your life to become? What do you want your marriage to become? What do you want to be known as at your workplace? What do you want to contribute to your nation? What do you want to be known in the world? If you ask a crop, I say a tonka, na ide na be me ate wonka. Krono. Obu abon graphic and apana krono nti na akobo. Obu ana ntro bi akodie. Obu adwomambo bi akobo. Obu social media oda social say wa won ho nti. Anansemfo a yen kan fini pe no hu na waka ye da beto social media eno na wo pe mema no nhwe nkran ma nneoma be hwe nkran emfiri opepe mu emfiri nneoma a ebe kenya subampa ene yepa na wo mfoni beda bedwa mu a yenka se wo mama nie we de wo nyame nsa no adwuma wo sofo nneoma be na kenya wa so dan mu wo adwuma ni wo ya amanyo semni wo tra amanyo nkonwa nso a nneoma be na bo adwuma se obeye na denchi ma akawo eno ena sefata wo ennyoma be na abeya amansa ho beto won nyoma be na abeya wo yiri ne wukuru besi nkete aka se manya wanka masai nyoma be na abeya wo ma ena abusua betima aka se wo de enya wo yame nti kura be fra wo nyame suban ben ne ye be na abede na dia obeya chidom hene amabusua nya ne se da bia wo de ye ko ne ye gya ho onyame amosa pe atenkapa na kenya ho na ka ehunu se emra wo ya kwada no wo dwene sa akwada wo kasa sa akwada na nso sie nyina ya akwada na wanyine die wo gyan kwada ne ma na to nchen afa mpani ne ye mpani susuye ne mpani suban na da bubra na fa opani wo pa animu a ama nyina emme opani ye opa abrabo animu na ogina animu a wo yo mama na emma amansan ho towom wo paniyo wapa wo manim wapa busuanim emma animunyam abehye busua no wo man ntu yo pani mapa onyame enhyirawo onyame enye wo pani ya wo pa bone anim emma papa eba ya wo pa wotan emma wodoba wo pa wo hia emma yedi eba wo pa sabe ensemfon etokyene na kansempa ehye nkran ema busua wo man ani empo woni ane ontie opani bedase se wa hwe me onyame nhirawo Mwamenda Daniel Osmosis Thomas from manager MCR ena empo me producer Randolph ena webe kampedu ase me da me nyina ase hana meja mo wo kira so yankopon epe eyo ho a osumfoni tekotego mesaba na me de nkra hwedwuma di abrɛwo uno nyame entina